If you want to go ahead and generate out a music in Qwen, let's say for example, if I were to go around and say write a song and generate music of a bright mood right here. Let's say for example, so if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then it goes ahead and writes the verses for me right here. So you can see that I got the song title right here. You got the pre-chorus and everything. But what I also said is generate out music. So let's see what it actually does to go ahead and generate out the music. It wrote around the verse right here just like this, and then now let's wait for it to actually go ahead and finish out generating out the lyrics first. And then once there's the outro, as you can see right here, and then it actually just gives me a music generation concept right here, which allows me to set like key and tempo and then so forth, as you can see right here. And it also gives me information on the instrument right here and production style. But let's say I want the actual music. In that case, you cannot directly actually generate music in Qwen, but you can actually get a code that you can run in Python so that you can generate out MIDI music as you like as well. So for that, you can simply say for the music, give me Python code to generate a MIDI file. So if I were to actually go ahead and do this right here, then it says certainly below is the Python code that uses MIDI library to generate MIDI files for song, Sunshine, Serenade. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and writes down this code for me right here. So it imports out MIDI right here. And if you don't know how to run this code, it also gives you the steps on how you can actually go ahead and then run this. So it says before the running the code, ensure that you have MIDI library installed right here. And then it actually goes ahead and generates out the music, as you can see right here in code. So now this is the explanation of code. So let's say, for example, you can see something like I am new to Python and I don't know how to run it. How do I run this? Give me steps. So if I were to go ahead and do that, it says no problem. And it gives me the exact steps on what I need to follow. So you can see that it tells you to download Python from Python's official website, install the required libraries right here, and it gives you the steps as well to open up the terminal and so forth. And if you want it much more, go ahead and say I don't understand, make it simpler, it'll give you the steps. And that is how you can go ahead and then create MIDI notation Python code inside of Qwen. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.